Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is for banana pancake dippers. So you're going to start out with the dry ingredients. So I have some flour and some brown sugar. I'm also adding some baking powder. And some salt. And I'm going to mix that together and kind of break up the brown sugar. And then in another bowl, I'm going to whisk together the wet ingredients. So I have some sour cream and some milk. I mix that together first to kind of break up the sour cream. And then I added in 1 egg at a time and whisk that in there as well. Added a second egg. And then I added in a teaspoon of vanilla. And I do have the full list of ingredients and all the measurements and directions below in the description box. This came from my Delish air fryer cookbook, so I will link that too. Then you add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and you mix that until it's nice and smooth. And then you take your air fryer and put a piece of parchment paper at the bottom and spray that with some non-stick cooking spray. And then you take 3 bananas, cut them in half, and then slice them down the middle. So you should have 12 pieces. And then you dip each one in the batter and place it on the parchment paper. My air fryer basket is a decent size, so I was able to put 6 in there at a time, so I did have to do this twice. I had to do it in 2 different batches. There was a lot of excess batter. So you can either do more bananas, or I ended up just making a giant pancake out of it, and it was really good. And I wasn't sure how thick to make them, so I let a little bit of the batter run off, but just made sure that the banana was well coated. This is what it looked like when I was done. Put them in the air fryer, checked on them every few minutes. This is all the leftover batter I had. And when they came out, this is what they look like. I did cook mine on a lower amount of time than it recommended, and I'll put that below, just because I think I would have burned them. I feel like my air fryer just cooks faster than a typical one. But yeah, you can also melt chocolate and dip it in there, and it is very good. Of course, if you've had a cooked banana, it is soft on the inside, a little mushy, but they were absolutely delicious. So if you guys would like to try it, I do have the recipe below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.